From this video, you will learn the simplest way to separate a single optical fibre from an OPTIX airflow cable without damaging the remaining fibres. Products used in the video. Prepare the necessary tools. For both ringing and slitting, we use the Jonard MS-316 mid-span slit and ring tool. Select the appropriate size for your cable. For a 12F cable with a diameter of 3.4 mm, the smallest groove is suitable. After placing the cable in the correct groove, rotate the tool about 2 to 3 times. Proceed with the longitudinal cut by placing the cable in the other part of the tool. Cut the cable following the direction indicated on the tool. Pull back the cut sections of the outer jacket and trim them with scissors. Be careful not to damage the optical fibres. Cut off any excess Aramid fibre. Secure the ends of the Aramid fibre with tape by folding and attaching them to the outer jacket. Finally, separate the required optical fibre.